Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will provide a short introduction of our JSS paper entitled On Tracking Job Methods with Git Mechanisms. First of all, I will talk about the difference between file tracking and method tracking with Git. By using Git, we can track the history of files in Git repositories. In this example, we can see that a.java was changed twice to fix bugs in the past. On the other hand, in Historage, which is a special version of Git repository, each method in Java source files has been extracted as a file. This means we can track Java method by using Git mechanisms. For example, we can easily know how many times a given method was changed by using git log commands. Git has a function that detects renamed files. In the default setting, if more than 60% of lines in file A are the same as file B, Git regards that A was changed to B. This function is very useful because information before the renaming can be retrieved. But this function is not good with small files, which is a research motivation. Here is an example of refactorings. In this example, file name, class name, field name, and method names have been changed to more appropriate ones. Since there are few lines of changes for the entire file, the file can be tracked by Git mechanism. Next, let's see the case of Historage, where each method has been extracted as a file. In this case, since there are many lines of changes for the entire files, the files cannot be tracked by Git mechanisms. Here is our key idea to this problem. It's very simple. Let's increase the number of lines, which means placing only a single token on each line. In the case that we use this idea, since there are a few lines of changes for the entire files, the files can be tracked by a Git mechanism. Of course, we have also proposed some heuristics to realize better method tracking, but due to time limitation, I cannot talk about them. If you get interested in this research, please read our paper. It's an open access. We have evaluated FinaGit, which is our technique, from many aspects. Here shows some paragraph in this paper. We confirmed that FinaGit's F measure was better than Historage's one, and Git was able to detect more renames with FinaGit than Historage. And FinaGit worked well for methods of any size, in spite that our research motivation was to realize better tracking for small methods. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.